Hello, everybody out there in quarantine land. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing better than my next door neighbor. Poor guy. In 1 week his mom passed away and he had his leg amputated. So if you're feeling bored out there, um, count your blessings. Okay, so enough about that. Enough about the sad talk. All right, so here's the discussion for tips and tricks for making your T-shirt. Here's what we're doing this week. So you got to order your T-shirt transfers. That's going to be the paper that you're going to use to iron on the logo onto your T-shirt. Okay. So you're gonna start creating the Inkscape document and start designing your logo. So I have a series of videos with tips and tricks. It's supposed to make your job easier. So I'm just giving you some ideas of how to use Inkscape since we're kind of new to it. So as you watch these tips and tricks, you're going to take notes on the tips and tricks spiels, and then so that stuff is kind of obvious. The next video is going to talk to you about the T-shirt transfers, creating this. So anyway, we're going to walk through some of this stuff. All right. One of the things you're going to do is create a color palette. So here's like the little quick logo I made, and if you look over here, I've got a color palette. And so these are these colors and these colors are complementary, and these colors are analogous, and these colors are analogous. At any rate, so you're going to make a color palette, and you can see that I used the color palette in my project. Okay. So you're going to create your color palette. You're going to actually draw the logo. This is not really a logo, but was part of my instructions. And then finally, we're going to iron the logo onto our T-shirts. I haven't made that video yet, but I will probably have that video made for you probably by Thursday. Anyway, there you have it. That's what we're doing. Please answer the questions in this discussion. I forgot to do that. I forgot the first thing should say, what are we doing? This discussion. All right, everybody, hang in there. Hopefully these spiels